ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद सतगुरु प्रसाद एक ओंकार.
By the grace of Guru, there is one mantra. If you have studied Kundalini Yoga, it's the whole of Kundalini Yoga for me. The Master Key meditation, the Gotka chant, Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, Eko Ankar. Zeros, everything brings you in Shunya, Buddha's. Much of the part or the Bani start, Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad. Guru Gobind Singh Ji goes to say, Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad, Siri Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. This mantra, Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad, Siri everywhere is the boomerang thunderbolt. Siri Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. By the grace of God, victory, victory, victory. It will cut through steel of negativity. And I guarantee it by the grace of the Guru. Though, if you practice it 3 minutes minimum every day of your life from today's start, do it. As people say, I tell you straight about the depression. This is the best medicine for me. And I'm sharing it straight by the grace of Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad. We're going to chant it from the navel. To chant this mantra, have your head covered at home. Is sacred. Whatever you get is from the blessing of the meditation, not you. Does it solve depression? Yes. Straight up, it cuts through it like a knife. Okay, that's the answer. You're holding your kneecap, so you're sitting straight, and does it work? Powerfully. So let me show it to you. Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, Eko Ankar. Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, Eko Ankar. Eko Ankar, Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, Eko Ankar. Your eyes are closed, your head is covered because it's a powerful science. You want the medicine to cut through depression, that's the key. With this mantra, whatever you say, you think, you project, it starts to work to it powerfully. It imprints in the universe, imprints powerfully. It cut negativity powerfully like a sword. The last 3 years has changed everything in my life. Everything.